to get clucked up.
Eating live with Sly.
That's good, cause I'm hungry.
So we're here in Sherman Oaks, and I'm hungry, man, and I'm looking for some chicken.
What happened to that boy?
Yeah.
What happened to that boy?
Some clucking chicken. This is clucking chicken.
Just different.
Hey, so check it, man. I'm at the Kluckin Chicken in Sherman Oaks, California. I got my man Vic, I got my man Will, and man, tell me, how are y'all briming this chicken, brother?
Well, this is where all the magic happens.
Okay.
We do our marination here. We let the chicken stay for at least 24 hours in the brine.
Yeah.
The longer it stays, the better it's gonna taste and more juicier.
Yeah, so that seeps into the
seasoning
chicken.
inside the chicken.
Man, I can smell it. If you can smell, seasoning, man, smell it. Ah.
You smell that? What is that?
When they put these gloves on,
it's about to go down.
It's about
it's going down.
To go down. Okay, so now since they're brine and we got it in the flour, we batter it up. So now what do we do with it?
Now we're gonna fry about 5 tenders.
Okay.
To start off the combos one at a time.
Okay, one at a time, drop them in one at a time. Teamwork make the dream work, baby.
The spice that goes in the fries, plus the sauce that they use to eat the fries with, it's just a very addictive thing for majority of our customers.
It's a very addictive thing. It's very addictive. Just keep calling me, man. I don't know what to do. Just keep calling me. I'm out of here. Hey, yo, Will, Vic.
What's up?
What's up, boss?
Which one came first, the egg or the chicken? Vic, this look good. I see the sauce on there, but I need a little bit more sauce, bro. That's why I brought this here.
Oh, hold on. I got a smaller one for you. Let's leave this alone.
I'm doing it for you. Oh, God. Here we go. You get the Kluckin Sauce. You get the acidity from that pickle that sliced through. Man, the chicken, sauteed, juicy.
Will murders that.
Hey, Will does it. Will does it.
And that's the double truth.
All right, Vic, so now we got the quesadilla. Tell me about this quesadilla.
So the quesadilla is one of our top sellers.
Smack it, flip it, rub it down.
Rub it down.
Oh no! Now that's a Kluckin quesadilla. This is your baby.
This is the Kluckin quesadilla.
Okay.
Full of cheese. Our Kluckin sauce.
Now I'll take a little bit of it.
We got you right here, boss.
Oh.
This be calling me, man. Be calling me, man.
I'm telling you, man, this Kluckin sauce. All right, man. That's what I'm talking about.
Try it out.
All right. So we got the Kluckin quesadilla. We got fries. We got some ranch. We got some ketchup. But this is the stuff, the Kluckin sauce. Oh my goodness, man. Look at that. Cheesy. We're gonna dip that in the Kluckin sauce. I'm gone.
And I'm so dizzy, don't know what hit me.
First off, that chicken is so juicy. It's cheesy. Oh man. It don't go down easy if it ain't cheesy. Oh my goodness, man. That chicken is seasoned to perfection, man. One more just for safety for you guys. Kluckin Sauce. Just for good measure.
All of me loves all of you.
Next. This is the clucker of all cluckins. McCluckin, McCluckining. I hope it don't cluck me up, you know what I'm saying? All right, baby. So I'm in Sherman Oaks, California. I got my man Will, I got my man Vic, I got the hero. We got the Kluckin sandwiches, man. Combo number 2.
It comes with 2 sandwiches.
I'm gonna go ahead and jump into it. Ready, Will? Do it. Let's do it. That marinade, I'm marinating the chicken. Dude, that's a game changer right there. Yeah, man, tastes the same. Freshness from the coleslaw, pickle, get a little acidity, the coleslaw and the pickle.
I know you could handle that, but I think you're scared of that one. What do you think?
Man, like, look, like Bone Crusher said.
I ain't never scared. I ain't never scared.
All right, man, I do it for y'all. All right, I should be making them eat this with me. Here we go.
I don't really need to look very much further.
All right, yeah, that's hot. Yeah, that's hot, brother. The seasoning is good. Chicken's good.
We interrupt our program to bring you this important message.
Eli and Sly. Woo! That's hot. Fun facts. Sherman Oaks is known for its vibrant downtown district and central location with easy access to the Santa Monica Mountains and the nearby cities of Bel Air, Van Nuys, and Encino.
What time is it?
It's time for hood price versus retail price. Yeah!
So first dish, the Kluckin bowl. Hood price. I'm gonna go with 10 bucks. That's a big bowl, a lot of chicken, a lot of stuff going on. Retail price, man, that bowl has got to be like $18.50. That's huge. How much you got for it?
We have it for $15.99.
$15.99.
Yeah.
All right,
Yeah.
that's cool because we're in Sherman Oaks. That's a gigantic plate. 2 people can eat it, and it's really, really good. Now, let's talk about the Kluckin Quesadilla. Your baby, Will. I'm gonna say hood price. I'm gonna go with $11.50. Retail price of that dish. Sherman Oaks, California, fresh chicken, 2 gigantic chicken strips, and fries, a lot of cheese. It's gotta be an $18, $19 dish.
It's also at $15.99.
$15.99, so you can get either one.
Either one.
Either one. Okay, bam, cool, baby. All right. The combo number 2. You get 2 sandwiches and fries. And you can get it mild, hot, soft, fire, whichever one you want.
French roll, bun.
Hood price. Because 2 sandwiches, hood price gotta be $17. Retail price, that's gotta be a $20, $21 dish.
$17.49.
$17.49. $17.49. We are at the Kluckin Chicken, Sherman Oaks, California. You eat live and Sly. Remember, man, I eat where you eat. Let's go.
Eating live, with Sly, eating live, with Sly, eating live, with Sly.